How to fix Google Chrome randomly closing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome randomly closing on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here you will find app settings, installed apps. Just type here Chrome, click on it and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable all of those here, and then go to data usage and enable background data, and that's it. Then just click for stop, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And just go and close all the tabs here, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.